Yes, like bro, look at this Nissan 1400. Yes, babe, get the kids. Come look here. Yeah, now that's a bucky, hey. That is a piece of work.
Hello and welcome to another special episode here on Mzansi's Funniest Videos. Welcome to everyone, welcome to new subscribers, and hope you enjoy this one.
Abana wanso a utlwa Black Label le thomo nate fela o itse re bo fedile botjhaba hao gone ka bona.
Which Black Label?
You are an adult now. Welcome to the adulthood.
Baba.
Hey, come. No kirila chuk.
Yeah, why?
O kirila boy.
Ranta.
Isang.
Anya
ke?
Yeah.
What is photosynthesis?
Yo, swara.
No ngwana o repeata grade 1 ga kana because of ntatai. Na re le boditse guys gore re hodile motho ho mo khetha wira le di background check go bona gore o stable in all areas. La re lona le batla banna ba dipipi tse kima ene e fella mo ge sa lekane le a tonki ha le ba batle bona no.
Nna ka lesolaka le tshole le matagwa pele ba kreste ba tla ja mora a kre ba re matagwa ka setsene ka khorwa le godi so re ba tloya di healing re khotse.
Hello, sir. Hello. Tell me, why do you think you deserve this job? Okay, so more than anything, I'm a hard worker. Okay. And also, most importantly, my father is the CEO of the company. Wait, is your name Johan? Yes, that's me. Oh, you can start today then? Today? Yes, okay, Johan. Thank you very much. That was quick. Hello, Keenan. So tell me, do you have any work experience? I don't have much work experience, man, but I'm a hard worker and I need a job. Please. Keenan, I'm so sorry, man. Please, I need a job. Keenan, it's quite full right now at the moment. So you're not gonna give me the job? We don't have space. So you're not gonna give me the job? We don't have space here. Oh, wait. Okay. So is that your car outside here? Yes, my car. What? Okay, Keenan, see you after work.
Go take it.
Another one. Hello, so tell me, why do you think you deserve this job? Because I'm a child. What? I'm a daughter. Do you even have work experience? Yes, I don't have much experience, but my friend Oscar, who works here, so you're wasting my time to you and talk to you nicely. Oh, Oscar. Yes, Oscar. Are you Sia? That's me. Yes. Oh, I can start tomorrow. Tomorrow. Thank you very much. I'll see.
Brown envelope.
2026. Mangkhwaya umkolo nami ngokhwaya wakho. Bele siphile kanje kulonyaka ke sithi bawukhwaya wami umkolo nami ngikhwaya wakho 2026 samba njengehashi.
Gore motho a o betray he fetsa wena o buse revenge o mutwa re two wrongs don't make a right na ne ke say re right na ne ke prove a point
o phela ka tin fish le di beans after nyo ja ngwana ba to ka nama o itse nka nama wena
Okay.
Bye.
Re busy ra struggle mo ke re struggle ka di finances tsa go disa di business tsa rena ra sokola di government official ba tsia cheltela ba reka marao ba tsia cheltela ba rekela di bedi di koloi tsa utura ba rekela di big house ba reka marao na chelte ka hana mense ba tsia zakela ba rekela di bedi di V-class di ngeni chelte mushu chelte tshwantsho re e jekis chaba bona ba e jaba noshi ba reka marao wa guys
ngoba itheni yethu yokuba nama bless ayaboshwa and leto yaqala nge-friends like this sesibadala isekho manje isikhathi sethu sokuba nama bless ayaboshwa
makuhlukane abantu abathengelane izimoto nezindlu uyabona ukuthi wena webheka uphephile uyabona ukuthi wena wama wings ne-chicken dust awuphephile uyabona kodwa uyabona wena wekoda
na ke tlo tlhapa ka chepa ka ba ka mogo ke beng ka gona ka fetsa ka tlhoka tšhelete ya jwala ke swere diphiri tša lena aowa le nromela tšhelete ya 66 gore phiri tša lena di be safe otherwise o konwa jwala ka diphiri tša lena di a jwale le di lokiše lena account number jaaka
And stop praying in English. God, you are nothing without me. Man, you're better. Oh, God, you are nothing without me.
But we are Africans fair. Africans fair. Like we Setswana, like we Africans fair. No one fucking we Africans. Africans fair. I don't know we Setswana. I don't know who we Setswana for. We matata for. Na we Africans fair.
You look zamula. Lesotho.
Tamla. Uyatamla.
What's that?
Who eat him all?
Ilukuhlekisa.
Watsenega.
Hayi.
Uyahlekisa.
Hey. Wangitsekisa. Kumuntu engeke waye batseneka, watsekisa.
Yini ucasuka ngesotho uthi ucasukile.
Catswayi.
Celuze. Awazi.
Yini ukukhatsala ngesotho?
Kikhatsetsi.
Ngiyokubheka.
Na ke baby.
Kuthiwa ngikhatsetsi not ngikhatsetsi.
No, phela sisho
kuthiwa uthe.
Umuntu unendlela
yakhe. Yabona ke manje, bro.
Okay, big.
Kuthiwa ngikhatsetsi, hayi ngikhatsetsi, bro.
Bika baby mfondini. Bika baby.
Hayi, angiyakuyeka. Buza.
Okay. Kusho ukuthini ukuthi une hangover, unepapalazi lo.
Unalipapala.
Hayi, akushiwo ke kanjalo ke mkhulu.
Kuthiwani?
Ona. Unesihlamahlama.
Hey baba, isihlamahlama.
Wangigcoba la baby mfethu ngiyafunga.
Isihlamahlama. Hey baba.
Umuntu onepapalazi ke sithi unesihlamahlama. Isihlamahlama buza.
Hey baba, yini isihlamahlama?
Akusona isihlamahlama, isihlamahlama.
Hey, uthe isihlamahlama wena.
Na ke bebe, enake.
Uthe isihlamahlama wena.
Buza. Uyaroba nje, uzoqinisa ubuso.
Batho ngwe, kanti ngina batho ba itlhele lo ba founela ba bebala dima bo 2000 bo 3000. Lo ba tsaka
African Bank.
Ka re nna a ke tlhoka 200. Ora re tshwantse ke founela batho ba le 4. Ba nthomele bo 50 rand. Ya ngwana wa founela gangwe motho a ba go romela 2000 e gwatlha. Gangwe hela. Ai khona.
Abafethu. Machita mara yini? Unina ngikhuluma nawe. Yini?
Senze.
That's manje umngana wami ubhidla singicede kumfonela manje ngithi ngithola iphancha. Akangiboleka isipewile. Awuthi ngikhulume nomfazi, ngithi ngikhulume nomfazi kuqala. Chance mara yini guys? Ngiphanchele itayara usakhuluma nomfazi. Khona manje ngiyamtshela ngithi mina ipasika siyahamba. Sihamba kusasa Thursday. Siyobuya Monday. Siyoburumphunda. Uthi kimi nami ngibali. Ngithi alright ngikubalile akuna stress ke siyahamba. Sekathi kimi hayi ithi ngizomfazi kuqala ukuthi uthini. Mara siyahamba mara ngifuna ukukhuluma nomfazi. Chance mara yini? Guys ngihlushwa wayengithandana nabo bhubezi, abo lion, abo crocodile, izinto ezibhodla umlilo. Man guys, don't believe man, you can do better man guys. Cabanga manje. Mara ngoba vele I understand the situation as fun man. Ay mara yini guys?
Nifuna amadoda asebenzayo. Mara la madoda asebenzayo mawasemsebenzini ni busy nalabo bangasebenzi.
And remember, out there they're gonna call you a stingy man. You are not stingy. And we're not. You're not. You just have standards for the way you spend money. So in a relationship, you guys must remember, love is not transactional. It's not transactional. So when your girlfriend comes, she asks you for a favor, she asks for money. Whether that's 50 rand, whether that's 2,000. You say, let me see what I can do. Repeat it after me.
Let me see what I can do.
Again.
Let me see what I can do.
Asanda.
Ubalo.
Hayi bukwaphodla indoda emqashweni wentombi yami.
Cha ngitsisa indlela nokho kuhlungu ngayo.
Yile ndoda erentela lendlu. Hey konko.
Oh, ubhadala rent.
Awunali ibhadi lami mnumzane. Asanda ubalo.
Umuntu wami.
Asanda uyangithithela. Lalela ke wendoda. Incane into exabanisa abantu.
Mina njani into encane?
Awu baby, ubani obangwawo la? Uwena kuyacaca. Incane into exabanisa abantu wendoda. Wozana.
So, the Department of Justice, if the story saying Bala is true, I don't know how true that is.
the Department of Justice is running out of money to continue Kamadanga Commission. Okay? They are running out of money now. That's what the story says. Now, when people are starting to go to jail, you know, but why arrest you now? When we are trying, now we are approaching those serious positions, you know, those job titles. But what about the tax bracket? When we are approaching them, now the commission is running out of money. Oh, all right. And tax money are last tax season o collectile 1.855 trillion from South Africans, which is 8.8 billion more than what they had initially projected to collect. So there are more trillioning tsone tseo. Ga ba khone go tsenya Department of Justice hope and ga eyo gore ba tswelele ka Madlanga Commission now specifically now when people are getting arrested. All right, there's no money. I understand you. And the president of this country is a billionaire. You know, the president of he's spoken about being serious about fighting crime and corruption, but there's no money. There's no. Ara chelete na ma. Khona le dutsing go phala phala ne utswiwa. Ke ra ora go khone le go latlhella Madlanga Commission 20 nyana gore go tswelele something. If you are serious about fighting crime, no, you are leaving those things. You are going to France. You are going to ask a loan on our behalf. Or re tsela loan or re tsenya mo dikoloto. Meanwhile, you are a billionaire. All right, ya Madlanga Commission, when we are trying to find out the truth, there is no money to find out the truth. There is only money to defend criminals and to fight going to jail. Okay, no, we hear you. Yeah, no, yeah. Eba na yang tronkong ma. Yang tronkong, go to jail, do not pass begin, do not collect 200. Yele muren fotek al malfal yele. Yes, says.
Why do we have people who are not qualified in health leading health? They don't know what the sector needs. You don't know what the sector. The person who's in charge of all of these funds has no medical qualification. The health minister doesn't look healthy. Yo. Yeah, okay. The spokesminister's unfit.
The police
other portfolios. Yo guys, thanks for watching, thanks for supporting this channel, and I'll see you in the next upload. Take care, keep warm in Mzansi.
Babe, I'm in the store. You there? Where's the list? How do you always send me reels but can't answer my text? I don't see a list here. Please resend it. If you don't answer now, I swear to God. Did you say diced carrots or straight carrot? The full cream milk? Should I open it to check if it's full or H-O-N-E-S-H-H-M-A? Mamazia. You said brown bread? There's brown bread and light brown pretending to be brown. Which brown? The list! Did you send it to me or your boyfriend? Why red onions? Aren't onions the same? They're stick onions too! Hey, I'm going to the liquor store after this. Next time, you're doing this yourself. When you said pads, did you mean brake pads or shoulder pads? You said wet wipes, but the one for babies? Whose baby are you buying for? Are we having a baby? It's fine! Block my number, I'm moving out! There's a woman hitting on me here! No more yes, one Neshma! No more Tina! I left my game for this! No more Tina! I'm green! This is nonsense.